This is Redneck Sun Team. Today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to change your weed eater head on your Echo weed eater. I got a 225. This will work on pretty much any Echo. So what you want to do is pop the cap off of your head. And then in between here, you can spin it around until you see that hole. And then stick your hex key or whatever, screwdriver, anything inside of there. Now this is reverse thread, so you're going to do it counterclockwise, or clockwise, excuse me, to loosen. Hang on. Spin it clockwise. There you go, have it off. Do not remove this washer. Alright, now you're going to take your new head. I got a speed feed one, well it's Echo. Speed feed makes them for Echo. Then you're going to get started counterclockwise. Then go around here, find your hole. Insert it. Now you're going to spin your head counterclockwise. Get it on there good and tight. And you're good to go.